Are you using the Blackmagic Camera app on iPhone, but your color grading or LUT film look isn't saving? You record the video. It looks cinematic in the app, but when you check it in photos, the colors are gone and the video looks flat. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that problem in just a few seconds. To save your color grading or LUT inside the recorded file, you just need to turn on one simple setting. Tap the gear icon, go to Record, scroll down, and turn on Record LUT to File. On iPhone, this option might also appear as Embed LUT in File. Once this is enabled, every video you record will keep the same color grading, even when viewed in the Photos app. Now go to your Photos app and play the new video. You'll notice the color, tone, and LUT are perfectly saved. That's the simple fix to get the same cinematic look you saw inside the Blackmagic Camera app.